Forget the pandemic we just endured. Forget what you think you know about Ebola. Hidden for decades is a virus far older, far more mysterious, and, shockingly, far deadlier. We are talking about the Marburg virus. The story begins in 1967, not in some remote jungle, but in quiet European labs in Marburg, Germany. A routine shipment of African green monkeys arrived, and within days, researchers began dying. The cause, a frightening new pathogen dubbed Marburg. It was the world's first true glimpse into a viral hemorrhagic fever with an 88% kill rate. A horrifying introduction to Ebola's forgotten and deadlier twin. The fear was instant and absolute. The world had never seen anything like this sheer destructive power. Marburg doesn't just make you sick, it systematically dismantles your body. After an abrupt onset of severe fever and overwhelming muscle pain, the virus targets the vascular system. It is a master assassin of your blood vessels. The virus actively destroys the lining of your blood vessels. They become porous, and blood begins to seep into the surrounding tissue, causing the catastrophic internal bleeding the disease is famous for. Blood loss, not just internally but often externally, can be profuse. Ultimately, it causes massive multi-organ failure. The kidneys, liver, and brain shut down simultaneously. For those infected, the path to death is rapid and brutal. So, where does this relentless killer hide? The silent, terrifying answer is the Rousettus fruit bat. These cave-dwelling creatures are the virus's natural reservoir, carrying the disease without falling ill themselves. The danger isn't that the bats are flying across continents, but that any human interaction, be it mining, hunting, or exploring African caves, could trigger a new spillover event. Unlike Ebola, Marburg's outbreaks are rare but incredibly virulent, often appearing in isolated, unpredictable clusters that are extremely hard to track and contain. It's a ticking time bomb scattered across the equatorial map. This is why Marburg is a dire global threat. The world is simply not prepared. It has no approved vaccine and no specific, targeted cure. Every outbreak is a terrifying race against time, relying only on basic supportive care to fight a killer with an 88% success rate. The global health infrastructure designed to fight COVID-19 is ill-equipped to handle the speed and lethal efficiency of a hemorrhagic fever. When it spreads, the response is often too slow. This virus has the potential to turn a local cluster into a pandemic risk in a single plane ride, and there is no global firewall ready to stop it. The Marburg virus is not a historical footnote. It is a clear and present danger waiting in the dark. Ignoring it is no longer an option. The next pandemic could be this virus, and you need to be informed. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. We track the unseen threats, the untold stories, and the medical truths you need to survive the next crisis. Don't wait until it's too late.